children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 7, Subject Hindi, Lesson 4, Topic Lalchi Chuha. Children, I hope you all remember the lesson. We have already gone through the lesson, the story of the lesson last week in the last session. I'll just give a brief description about the story once again. There was a city mouse and a village mouse. Village mouse came from village to city and he met the city mouse there and he asked for some food to the city mouse. He gave some the city mouse gave some sweets to the village mouse and he liked that sweets very much. He asked city mouse, can he stay with him there itself in the city, and the city mouse said okay for that, and they both started living in a hole, and at night they will go and eat all many sweets of a sweet shop. This was going on, and once the owner of that shop understood that the mouse is coming and eating up all his sweets, and he tried to trap the mouse. He brought a mouse trap, and he kept one laddu inside that mouse trap, and all other sweets he closed inside the almirahs. But the village mouse, he could not understand about the trap and he got trapped inside it. He was greedy. Daily he was eating all the sweets. One day when he didn't get it, so he didn't think that let me leave it, tomorrow I'll come and eat. But he tried to get that only one laddu which was kept inside the trap, and when he went inside, the mouse of the trap closed and he was not able to escape and he died inside the trap itself. That time he will think that I was better in my village, I should have stayed in my village only. But there was no use of thinking after we get trapped. Okay children, so this was the story. Now we'll move on to our book back exercises. First, you can see here is your word meanings. This is the first Roman given for you all. So this one is given already in your last session. I'm giving you here once again. Just write all these word meanings in your notebook. Now we will move on to our second Roman, children. Our second Roman is the question answers. We will move on to our question answers now. So the first question is, गांव का चूहा सैर करने कहाँ गया? Where did the village mouse went on tour? The first question is, गांव का चूहा सैर करने कहाँ गया? Answer, गांव का चूहा सैर करने शहर गया. The village mouse went on a tour to the city. The village mouse went on the tour to a city. Second question, children. गांव के चूहे ने शहर के चूहे से क्या पूछा? The question is, what did the village mouse ask to the city mouse? The answer is, गांव के चूहे ने शहर के चूहे से पूछा, भाई मैं भूखा हूँ, कुछ खाने को दो. He asked that, the village mouse asked that, oh city mouse, I'm feeling very hungry. Can you give me something to eat? गांव के चूहे ने शहर के चूहे से पूछा, भाई मैं भूखा हूँ, कुछ खाने को दो. Third question, children. शहर का चूहा दिन भर कहाँ रहता है? Where did the city mouse stayed for the whole day? Question is, शहर का चूहा दिन भर कहाँ रहता है? The answer is, शहर का चूहा दिन भर बिल में छिपा रहता है. The city mouse used to hide himself inside his hole for the whole day. The answer is, शहर का चूहा दिन भर बिल में छिपा रहता है. Fourth question children. दुकानदार ने रात को दुकान बंद करते समय सब सामान कहाँ रखा? The question is, where did the shopkeeper kept all the things at night when he closed the shop? दुकानदार ने रात को दुकान बंद करते समय सब सामान कहाँ रखा? And the answer is, दुकानदार ने रात को दुकान बंद करते समय सब सामान अलमारियों के अंदर रखा. The shopkeeper at night when he was closing his shop kept all the things inside the almirah. दुकानदार ने रात को दुकान बंद करते समय सब सामान अलमारियों के अंदर रखा. So these were the 4 question answers given at the back of your lesson. Now we'll move on to our third Roman, that is fill in the blanks. So I'll just read out the fill in the blanks for you children. The answers here are given for you in red with a underline. Okay children, just see it carefully. I'll read out the fill in the blanks for you all. First one, गांव के चूहे ने शहर के चूहे से पूछा, भाई मैं भूखा हूँ. So भूखा is the answer here. Second question, शहर का चूहा कहीं से कुछ मिठाई ले आया. मिठाई is the answer for this fill in the blanks. Third one, दिन भर तो मैं बिल में छिपा रहता हूँ. बिल is the answer for third fill in the blanks. Next one children, उसने एक चूहेदानी मंगाई. चूहेदानी is the answer for this one. And fifth one, चूहेदानी के अंदर एक लड्डू देखा. Laddu is the answer for the fifth fill in the blanks. So children, with this your lesson gets over. Go through the lesson once again. Go through all the question answers, meanings and fill in the blanks and learn everything properly and write in your notebook. Okay, thank you children.